Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a reminder now. Open Reminders and pick a list or tap plus to make one. This groups similar items. Once there, tap New Reminder. Type a clear title and optional note or URL because context saves time later. You can also use Siri, say, "Remind me to call Alex at 3 p.m., which is faster for single items. Make sure your iCloud account is active so lists sync across devices. Otherwise, reminders stay local and won't appear on other devices. Once a new reminder exists, refine it by tapping the info icon to set date, time, and repetition, daily, weekly, or custom, so you don't forget recurring tasks. You should also set priority or add subtasks when a task has steps. For smarter alerts, enable location and choose when I arrive or when I leave, then drop the map pin. This triggers the reminder based on physical location. Make sure Remind Me on a day and Remind Me at a time toggles are on for accurate schedule. To finish, organize with lists, tags, and smart lists so you can sweep through tasks by project or priority. When you complete an item, tap the circle. To defer it, swipe left for options or open and edit the date. Once done, archive or delete completed reminders if you want a clean list. If reminders don't sync or don't alert, check iCloud Reminders is enabled, confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is active, and make sure iOS is up to date. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.